Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to measure curves in Affinity Designer. This is incredibly useful when you need precise measurements for your design elements, especially if you're working on technical illustrations or need exact spacing between objects. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you'll need to open your existing file or create a new file to work with. This step is essential as it sets up your workspace where you'll be measuring your curves. Now direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. This is where all your primary tools are located. Look for the Measure tool and click on it. The Measure tool is specifically designed to help you get accurate distance measurements between points in your design, making it perfect for working with curves and complex shapes. With the Measure tool selected, you're ready to start measuring. Click on the curve you want to measure to establish your starting point. This first click creates the beginning of your measurement line. Then, move your cursor along the curve to where you want the measurement to end. Click again at this endpoint. Once you've made the second click, you'll immediately see the measurement displayed on your screen, showing you the exact distance between the 2 points you selected on the curve. This measurement gives you precise data about the curve's length or the distance between specific points, which is particularly helpful when you need to ensure consistency across multiple design elements or when working with specific dimensional requirements. And that's it. You've now learned how to measure curves in Affinity Designer using the Measure tool. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.